The BJP today hit back at Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi for his remarks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that the Nehru-Gandhi scion must first update himself on government's initiatives for the poor rather than holidaying abroad. Addressing a crowd during his roadshow for the Delhi Assembly polls, Rahul had said that Modi is doing nothing but public relations exercise ever since he became the Prime Minister 8 months back.
Rahul Gandhi is unable to distinguish between public service and public relations, and Prime Minister Shri Modi is involved in, engaged in national service, in public service for the last 8 months, and people of the country are responding very positively, and people of the country are greatly admiring the performance and work of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
The BJP maintained that such a statement by Rahul is a sign of frustration as Congress has been hitting lows both at national and state levels.
I think Rahul Gandhi needs to be given a little coaching because he doesn't seem to know what's happening in this country for the last 8 months. I think the entire focus of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's governance has been pro-poor governance. More than 11.5 crore bank accounts have been opened for the poor people. I think Prime Minister intervened personally to protect the rights of the poor under WTO, a trade facilitation agreement. And subsidies are being given for new LPG connections to the poor families. And there is an all-round focus on development and governance. I think Rahul Gandhi is not devoting enough time to really update himself on what's happening in the national front. I think he should now stop holidaying abroad and take his parliamentary work and also constituency work a little more seriously so that he will know what's happening in the country.